Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, in the previous session of our discussion, we were discussing about the idea of Satyagraha, the participation, leadership under Gandhiji, different movements participated by Gandhiji, and how Satyagraha it became moral method to fight against injustice. Let us continue our discussion in today's session about the Rowlatt Act. In the year 1919, Gandhiji took the leadership of national movement freedom struggle in India, and he decided to launch nationwide Satyagraha movement against the proposed Rowlatt Act, which was imposed on Indians in the year 1919. Why Gandhiji decided to launch Satyagraha? Because this particular act, Rowlatt Act, it had been hurriedly passed through the Imperial Legislative Council despite the united opposition of Indian members. Just try to understand here. This act, Rowlatt Act, it had been hurriedly, means in hurry-burry, in short time. It has been passed through Imperial Legislative Council without consulting the Indian members, one who is working under united opposition. Moreover, this particular act, Rowlatt Act, it gave government enormous power, full-fledged power in repressing, suppressing, controlling all the political activities. Moreover, it allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. Means this particular act, it was imposed in order to hold full control, complete control over Indians in their participation in political activities as well as in other activities. If they are taking place, if they are participating, then without trial they are sentenced to jail as a political prisoners. So in this movement, Mahatma Gandhi wanted non-violent civil disobedience. He never wanted to make the movement through the violent means. He wanted through non-violent and following civil disobedience. Because of Gandhi's ideals, Gandhiji's motivation to the people, on 6th April 1919, throughout India, Hartals movements got started opposing the Rowlatt Act. Then rallies were organized in various cities. In these particular rallies, workers took their part, they participated, they went on strike in railway workshops and shops are mainly completely closed down. This participation, rallies, strikes alarmed other people to make popular upsurge, and they are scared. British were scared that lines of communication, that is railways, telegraphs, they are completely disrupted. The British administration decided to clamp down on nationalists. Clamp down on nationalists means control, suppress. Then local leaders, one who took participation in these hartals, rallies, movements, they are picked up from Amritsar, where important hartal was taken. And Mahatma Gandhiji, he was barred from entering to Delhi. On 10th April, the police in Amritsar fired on peaceful procession, provoking widespread attacks on banks, post office and railway stations. So police attacks on peaceful procession. Procession means ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ. ಶಾಂತಿಯುತವಾದಂತಹ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಏಕಾಏಕಿ ದಾಳಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಚೋದನೆಯನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿನ ಜ್ವಾಲೆಯನ್ನ ಹಚ್ಚಿದಾಗೆ ಆಗಿ, ಸೊ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ railway stations. Then Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So about that we will discuss in tomorrow's session. So let me end today's session. So stay at home, stay safe. Thank you, Ananda.